Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled with getting your data into Google Sheets or spent way too much time trying to open a CSV file, I've got you covered today. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the 3 best methods for importing a CSV file into Google Sheets using the Coefficient extension. By the end of this video, you'll know not just how to bring your data in, but also which method is right for your situation. Let's dive right in. Now, before we can actually import anything, the very first thing you'll need is the Coefficient extension installed in your Google Sheets. Think of Coefficient as a toolbox that supercharges your spreadsheets, making it way easier to connect and transfer data. If you've already got Coefficient set up, you're ahead of the game. But if not, don't worry, just head up to Extensions at the top of your Google Sheets, search for Coefficient, and click to install it. It only takes a few moments, but it unlocks a lot of importing power. Once Coefficient is ready to go, launch it. You'll notice a panel opens up along the right side of your Google Sheets. This is going to be your command center for importing CSV files. In the Coefficient panel, look for the option that says Import From. Clicking this will bring up a few choices, specifically you want files, and then select CSV. This is where the magic happens, and it's also where you'll see the 3 different options for bringing your CSV in. The first method is importing directly from your Google Drive. This is super handy if you're someone who likes to keep all their files in the cloud or if you collaborate with others. When you click on this option, you'll see your Drive files, and you can simply pick the CSV you want to import. It's as easy as selecting it and clicking Import. The file loads up in seconds, and your data appears neatly in your sheet, no copy-pasting or file conversions needed. This is my go-to for anything I've already uploaded to Drive. The second option is to upload a file directly from your computer. Maybe you just downloaded a CSV from an email or exported something from another app. Just click Upload from Computer, browse to your file, and let Coefficient bring those rows and columns straight into your spreadsheet. It's honestly faster than dragging and dropping into Drive first, and it works even if you're offline or if the file is just sitting in your Downloads folder. And don't stress if your file is big. Coefficient handles large CSVs better than Google Sheets' basic import. And finally, the third method is pasting the URL of your CSV. This one's perfect if you've got a link to a CSV file that lives online. For example, maybe someone shared a direct download link in Slack, or there's a dataset hosted on a website. Just grab the link, paste it into the Coefficient panel, and hit Import. Within moments, the data is pulled in. It's like opening a direct pipe from the web right into your sheet. This is a real time saver if you work with regularly updating datasets or APIs that spit out CSV links. And that's it, 3 super simple ways to import a CSV into Google Sheets using the Coefficient extension. Remember, each method has its strengths, so think about where your file lives and how you want to work and choose accordingly. Don't worry if anything feels a bit unfamiliar at first. Once you try these steps a couple of times, you'll be importing CSVs like a pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up so others can discover it too. And if you have any questions or if you get stuck at any step, just drop a comment below. I'm here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next video.